So with the old screen, it's broken, but the phone boots. Okay, phone turns off. You can see no signs of damage. Connector's good. Screen's good. Everything looks okay. Now I do notice there is this weird difference, which I don't know what this is all about. I'm assuming it doesn't matter. So on the old one here, that window's a different orientation than the new one. But I'm assuming that's not terribly important because it is still in the same general area. So we go here. Turn the phone on. Maybe. Okay. And that's all it does. I've reset the phone. I've done the fingerprint calibration. That's all it does. Okay, we have the phone with the clip removed. We have the new screen from iFIXIT, the tape, and everything. This time I'm going to test the screen before I do anything else. And just like that, it's out. Okay, I'm going to remove all the protective tape and proceed to mount this in the phone without tape to see if this boots. This has the same funny orientated window, which is different than the original. Okay, the little charge emblem went away, so I'm assuming it might have got enough juice now to turn on. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Same thing. Are you kidding me? The phone says it's a Pixel 7. The repair kit says it's for a Pixel 7, but there is a physical difference in the screens. There's several differences that alarm me here, and that's what makes me concerned. The actual display differences are pretty significant. So where they have the fingerprint reader is roughly the same. The connector's in the same spot, but the screen is different where the little window is, and how they mount these little metal tabs are different. This doesn't have those metal tabs. You can see they got these metal tabs here, and the original screen does not have them. If you look right there, those see that? See the difference? Here and here, that's plastic. That's nothing there. That's metal. But what bothers me is you see this, and right here, these little like clip detent things are in different spots. And I don't know what's going on with that. And it's the same thing on the other side, or similar. It doesn't work, and I don't know why. That's two screens doing the same thing. This broken screen works on this frame, on this. This does not. The only thing I can think of at this point, maybe they got a bad batch. Maybe my phone is weird. I don't know. I mean, it would be my luck if there was a bastard phone that needed a special screen or something. I would wind up with it, and I would break the screen. Well, what's crazy is it comes on at all. It not only comes on, but you can get it into the. You still get it into the bootloader mode, the bootloader menu where you select the bootloading stuff. I mean, is that my problem, I wonder? So let's go. See, you see right there, I'm in fast boot, no problem. Let's go. Interesting enough, I've noticed, and I noticed on the other screen, that whatever the difference is, you see the crack here, that won't seat in there all the way. And that's not right either. That should not be having a gap there. And I don't know if it's just a matter of prying it or installing it right, or maybe sliding it from this angle in first and pushing on it. I don't know. But it's like these metal standoffs are not letting it close. I went to a shop, and on the right is the part that I received from iFixIT. On the left is one of their parts, and that is a Google 6 Pro screen, and that appears to be what they sent me. So, alrighty, they sent me the wrong screen. Absolutely no doubt about it, because if you look here where I was talking earlier, the pin locations are the same, and where's the old screen at? And the part they put in my phone was identical to this one, down to the last piece, and fit in perfectly. This didn't quite fit, and is obviously not the right screen. So, yeah.
You
Problem.
can see that the proximity sensor window.
Yeah, and there's my proximity sensor window on mine, and this is
more vertical than this one's horizontal.
Yes, so this is the 6 Pro screen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're getting this is a Pixel 7 Pro confirmed screen, and let's lay these side by side. So,
you want me to take it out?
Yeah, you can. It would be great, because I need to be able to prove for sure they sent me the wrong shit.
So this is the one that we took off of your device originally.
Right, and that window's in the right spot. Everything's in the right spot, and lo and behold, my phone works.
Yep. And then this guy here.
Yeah, that's what they sent. Not one, but 2 of those. Where's the other one at? There should have been 2 of these boxes.
Yeah, they're in here. You got them.
So we're going to get into here.
Right.
So they sent not 1, but 2 screens that were for the wrong phone. Now, oddly enough, the phone lit up. It just wouldn't boot. Probably some kind of identifier in the BIOS. It just says that. It probably is a genuine part, but it's just the wrong genuine part.
2 Google 6 Pros right here. 2 Google 7 Pros.
Yeah.
IFIXIT.
Well, that one's your new one from Backstock,
Yeah,
and that's my broken one that they have to keep to send back for refurbishment, which I understand.
Yeah.
So, anyways, yeah. That should be an interesting conversation at iFixIT, because I wasted a whole week and then had to go to someone else to get the part because I couldn't wait any longer. Yeah. All right. Thank you for your help.
No problem.